Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ninja ice cream. First, gather your essential ingredients like heavy cream, whole milk, and your preferred sugar. Next, make sure your Ninja creamy pint and mixing paddle are thoroughly chilled. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect consistency. Finally, combine all your chosen ingredients directly into the pint, mixing them well before moving to the next stage of the process. Once your ingredients are mixed, place the pint in the freezer for a minimum of 24 hours. It must be completely frozen solid for the machine to work correctly. After freezing, insert the pint into the outer bowl and firmly attach the lid. Then, select the ice cream program on your Ninja Creamy for the initial spin. This first cycle begins transforming your frozen block into delicious ice cream. After the first spin, if your ice cream appears crumbly, simply add 1 tablespoon of milk or cream and respin it using the same program. This usually creates a smoother texture. Now is also the perfect time to add your favorite mix-ins, such as chocolate chips or fresh fruit. Place them in the pint and select the mix-in program to ensure they are perfectly distributed throughout your creamy treat. Your homemade Ninja ice cream is now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve it immediately while it's perfectly fresh and creamy. If you have any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the freezer. When you're ready for more, you might need to respin it for a few minutes to regain that ideal consistency. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.